Hi guys! Today we fix Roblox crashing on mobile. First, swipe down from the top of the screen and check your internet connection. A lot of times, Roblox crashes just because your connection isn't stable. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong and stable. If your connection improves, the game might work perfectly without doing anything else. If Roblox still crashes, open the App Store on your phone. A lot of issues happen because the app is outdated. We'll check if there's an update available to fix the crashing problem. Open the App Store and get ready to search for Roblox. Tap the search icon at the bottom right, then type Roblox in the search bar at the top of the screen. Once it appears, tap on the Roblox app to open its page. Here, you'll see if there's an update option available. If you see an update button, tap it to update the app. Updating often fixes crashing, bugs, and other issues immediately. In my case, it was already updated, so I don't see the button, but most people will. Once updated, try opening Roblox again. If Roblox still crashes after updating, restart your mobile device. A simple restart refreshes your phone and clears temporary glitches. Once your phone is back on, open Roblox again, and the issue should be completely resolved. This step usually fixes 100% of crashing problems. So, yeah, that's how you can fix Roblox crashing on your mobile. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you're still facing issues.